Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive, your own training institute. So today we'll start with our next lesson, lesson number 8, and here we will learn how to create this lock, uh, you can say like handle or lock like support and these buttons. So first we'll start with the lock support or lock holder or lock handle, whatever you want to say it. I'll just move these all back there, and it's basically looks like this, like a simple straight coming out of its place. So I'll just create a blend here with spacebar blend, take all of these with the shift key, move it here, then take my output from here and put it in the background and use add so I can get everything here. Later on, if you want, you can change it, but we will keep it add because this is coming out of it, so that means it needs add. And move it. So last time, if you remember, when we created these hinges, we used the old hinges. Same thing I will do it here. And this time it will be more simpler because we don't have to subtract anything, just like what we did here with these with this gap. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll go back here, okay, and let's see where I have this buttons gap, hinges gap. Yeah, we have both of them here. So first, let's do buttons first because we have buttons first, or let's do this first. So if I double click here, this is what I want actually. Okay, so this is already blurred. So and this is already blurred, and this is without blur. So let's use the one with this, which is not blurred, which is transform. Okay, move it up here. Press Alt. Move it to the other side here. Oops. And all the way here. Alt, Alt, and then let's put it here. Here we go. We got this, what we were looking for, but we have to do some changes here. Like, first of all, uh, levels, because I don't want this to be too high. So level over here, and then go inside the level and move it a slide down. It should be this much. So I think a good value. Now this is too harsh, and you can see this weird edges going around here. That's because it's not smooth enough. So I need to apply some Gaussian blur on it. So I will choose blur HQ, like not Gaussian blur, sorry, blur HQ, high quality blur on it. Okay, and then okay, increase the quality, reduce the size of the blur. Okay, this much. 1 point, I think 1. Okay, but now I think 1.3. 1.3 is fine. But now you can see it is affecting also the edges of this gap. So what I need to do here is that I have to uh, use like mask to remove it, just like what we did here. Okay, but not now, just in the end, so that we can use these like buttons now for now, and then we will back. Okay, now here I will go back and I will choose these button values, this one, not the one which is with the blur, the one here. So take this, oops, from here, Alt, oops, I pressed the space bar, sorry, Alt here, and then, oops, my bad, sorry. Okay, now I'll go back here, then Alt, move it back, move it here, then Alt down here. And then what I will do here is that click it here, then choose blend. Okay, move this one up so that I can move it here. And for now, I will put put this one back here, and then once everything is set up, then I will use this. I will just put it inside the. I will just blend these two, but not now. So I will just put levels here. Okay, and we'll go on the top as usual. So I will put it here. First of all, levels have to be lower down because too high buttons are popping out a lot. Okay, don't worry about this because this will be fixed once we will apply uh, like the mask to it. So I just need to adjust the height. Okay, that's good. Then spacebar, Gaussian blur. Sorry, not Gaussian blur. Too used to Photoshop. Sorry. Blur HQ, and then increase the quality. This 10.5 will be 4. But then I have to increase the levels again. Okay, that's fine. Now I can take this output, put it here, and make sure these two are inside this blend and add it. Now I can see all of them together. Now what I need here is that to use these two, this one and this one, as a mask, but not from here because this is already leveled up. So what I will do here is that first of all, let me put this here. Okay, and I'll press Alt here, this down. Now what it will do is that it will create these connectors. So if I will double click on these connectors, these are basically the whole thing which comes from here. So now I don't have to go back there. I will just go to these connectors. Okay, and take one from here, blend, and one from here in this blend, and add them. So here I got my mask, and I will take this one and put this in the opacity of this blend. And this will not affect this area. So now you can see everything is clear. And we got our lock and we got our buttons here. This is how you can create the opacities from the older time, and this is how you can use the connectors so that you don't have to go back all the way back here and then bring them again. So just one connector and we use them, and we got this effect. So I hope you have learned from this lesson how to create like these sort of like heights here and create some like these sort of effects. So thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive continued support from you all. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, so please ask them to stop this, because this will not help me to create more tutorials. It will demotivate me. It will not help me to get my hard work paid off. So and I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on C Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.